Blockchain and credit business, the ledger of trust. 70% less fraud, 40% lower cost. Revolutionizing credit with secure, transparent technology. The future of finance is here.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we present a data-driven business analysis titled Ledger of Trust. This research examines how blockchain technology is delivering measurable advantages in the credit industry. Through a comparative study of 30 credit institutions, we demonstrate significant improvements in fraud reduction, transaction speed, and operational efficiency. This presentation is designed for investors, entrepreneurs, and financial executives seeking clear, actionable insights. Our research compared 15 blockchain-integrated credit institutions with 15 traditional ones. The results are compelling. Blockchain adopters achieved a 70% reduction in fraudulent activities, processed transactions 50% faster, and reduced operational costs by 40%. These improvements are not theoretical. They are real, observed outcomes that directly impact profitability, risk profile, and competitive positioning. Let's translate these numbers into business reality. A 40% reduction in operational costs for a mid-sized lender can translate into millions of dollars in annual savings. A 70% drop in fraud significantly lowers direct losses, compliance costs, and reputational risk. Combined with 50% faster transaction processing, blockchain creates a powerful structural advantage that improves unit economics and client experience. Traditional credit systems suffer from multiple inefficiencies. They rely on centralized databases, numerous intermediaries, manual reconciliation, and paper-heavy processes. Each additional layer increases cost, latency, and vulnerability to errors and fraud. In today's fast-paced financial environment, these legacy systems are becoming a serious competitive disadvantage. Blockchain introduces a shared, immutable ledger that provides a single source of truth for all stakeholders. Smart contracts automate verification and execution. Reconciliation becomes automatic, audit trails are instant, and cryptographic security makes tampering extremely difficult. This represents a fundamental shift from a trust-based to a mathematically verifiable system. This study analyzed 30 credit institutions over a significant period. 15 had successfully integrated blockchain technology, while 15 continued with conventional digital platforms. We tracked 4 critical KPIs: transaction speed, error rate, fraud incidents, and operational costs. The methodology ensures a fair and robust comparison between the two approaches. Blockchain-enabled institutions process transactions on average 50% faster. By eliminating multi-party verification delays and manual approvals, they reduce settlement times dramatically. This improvement leads to better liquidity management, lower counterparty risk, and significantly enhanced client satisfaction. Error rates decreased by 40% in blockchain systems. Automated smart contract execution minimizes human input mistakes, while the immutable nature of the ledger prevents post-transaction manipulation. This results in fewer disputes, reduced operational friction, and stronger compliance outcomes. The most remarkable result is a 70% reduction in fraudulent activities. Blockchain's cryptographic security and full transparency create a powerful deterrent. Transactions become extremely difficult to falsify, and complete auditability discourages bad actors from targeting these institutions. Overall operational costs fell by 40%. This saving stems from fewer intermediaries, automated processes, lower error handling, and reduced fraud management. For both investors and entrepreneurs, this creates a substantial and sustainable competitive moat. While the benefits are significant, risks must be acknowledged. Implementation requires substantial upfront investment and technical expertise. Regulatory frameworks remain fragmented across jurisdictions. Additionally, scalability can be challenging for very high transaction volumes. These risks are manageable with proper planning and phased adoption. The strongest opportunities lie in SME lending, trade finance, and cross border credit. These segments suffer from high information asymmetry and reconciliation costs, exactly where blockchain delivers the greatest value through transparency and automation. For investors, blockchain adoption should become a core part of due diligence. It serves as a strong indicator of operational excellence, fraud resilience, and long term cost efficiency, factors that increasingly influence valuation and risk assessment. Entrepreneurs should strongly consider building blockchain infrastructure from day one. Retrofitting legacy systems later is significantly more expensive. Early adoption allows you to create a leaner, more secure, and more competitive business model. In conclusion, blockchain is delivering proven, measurable advantages in the credit business. Lower costs, faster operations, and dramatically improved security are no longer future promises. They are current reality. For investors and entrepreneurs who act decisively, blockchain represents one of the clearest value creation opportunities in financial services today. Thank you for watching this in-depth business analysis on blockchain's transformative impact on the credit industry. The data clearly shows significant advantages in fraud reduction, speed, and cost efficiency. If you found this valuable, please subscribe to Daily AI Wizard for more research-backed insights on technology, finance, and innovation. The full research paper is available in the video description. I highly recommend reading it for complete details and references. Stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, this is Anastasia. Thank you.